There may be situations that arise where we want to move timesheets in bulk from one job to another or from one task to another. A common reason for this is to update the billable status of the timesheet entries. In this video, we're going to look at the example of having an internal job that has billable timesheets on it. We want to create a new internal job which have the tasks flagged as non-billable, so we move them from one job to the other, the billable status of those tasks will be marked as non-billable. Let's start with creating a new internal job. To do this, go to Jobs, Create New Job. Select your internal client. This client could literally be called internal, or you could use your practice's organization name. You may have a template set up for your internal jobs, but this is likely what landed you in trouble in the first place, so either skip over this or create a new template that matches this job we're about to set up. For the job name, call it internal or admin, and then give it a financial year. It's a good idea to roll over your internal jobs each year to avoid having too many timesheets on one job. If you get up to 100,000 or so timesheets in a single job, Xero Practice Manager finds it difficult to load certain pages. Rolling over your jobs each year reduces this risk. Make the job state internal and select the start and due dates to be your current financial year. Select the appropriate job manager and partner and select everyone on the team to be able to timesheet to this job. Hit save. Scroll down to tasks and select add new task. It's important not to use add multiple tasks as this option does not allow you to flag the tasks as non-billable. Select the task, add the relevant label, uncheck the task as billable, then hit save. Repeat this for all internal tasks you need to create. It's a good idea to have a separate job for leave. So in total, you should have 2 internal jobs, one for internal tasks and one for leave. Once you've added all your internal tasks, you should have a list that looks something like this. You can then save this job as a template by selecting Options, Save Job as Template. This allows you to use this job as a template when you roll over your internal jobs each year. Now you have your new job set up, we need to move the timesheets from the current internal job to the new one. We do this by clicking into the old internal job, Options, Move Timesheets. Select all and select your new job from the job list. Scroll to the bottom and hit Next. This checkbox is the most important thing. Update the billable status of the timesheet entries to be the same as the destination task. This means our timesheet entries will be updated to the new task billable status. In this example, they're going from billable to non-billable. This fixes the issue retrospectively, making historical reporting accurate. So here you want to map each task so the timesheets are sent to the right place. Then hit save. You can now go check the job to see all the timesheets have moved over and have adopted their new billable status as non-billable. You also want to check the old job to ensure the timesheets have been moved, then archive the job to ensure no one else timesheets there. You can also move timesheet entries from one task to another within the same job. Just select the same job when you see the list of bulk timesheets to move.